Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. And happy Thanksgiving. I know that Thanksgiving will be over when you see this because I'm going to put this up on Friday. But today is Thanksgiving, the day I'm filming this. And I just thought I would come on and share some makeup that I am thankful for. These are some products that I reach for a lot. Some of them are very old and I've been reaching for them for a long time. And a few of them are new and I just seem to be reaching for them. I have other new ones that I'm pretty sure are gonna be that way, but I haven't tried them enough to know to include them in this. So these are ones that I really love, and most of them I've loved for a long time. So let's get started because there's several products here. I'm going to start with the Tati Beauty Palette. I need to get this mirror out of here, because I'm not going to be looking in it. Okay, it's gone. So, you guys know I'm a glitter girl, so how could I not totally love this palette? I do love this palette, but you know what? It's not the glitter row that I love the most. I do like the glitter. Don't get me wrong. I'm still a glitter girl. But it's the metallic row that I love the most. I just can't get enough of this. I've only used it like 4 times, but I've only had it like a couple of weeks too. So, you know, I have to try other stuff in between. I would use this like all the time, except I don't have it on today because I used my other palette that I reach for all the time, and I have for a very, very long time. And that is my Milani Bold Obsession. See how loved it is? It's so dirty. I have that on today. I just love this palette. As you can see, I've hit pan over here. It must be my favorite color. I don't think so, though. I like this color. And then I like this second color right here. I love that color. I have it on in the center, and I wear it all the time that way. It's just you don't use very much of that. And then I use the dark brown, and then I use the black for liner. I really love this palette. This palette is great for traveling because there's so many looks you can make with it. Or you can just make the same look all the time because it's so good. So that's my second thing that I truly love. There are a lot of products from Milani that I really like, but then there's some that I don't like too. I don't like the concealers, at least not any that I've tried so far. And but I love the blushes. I love the brushes. I love this. I have 3 of these palettes. I have the Most Loved Mattes, the Bold Obsession, and then that other one that came out right after that. I don't remember what the name of it is. I haven't used it as much just because I love this one so much. But I need to get that one back out because I'm pretty sure it was good too. And I think it had more cool tones in it. So Bold Obsessions is I've been loving this one for quite a while. And I always go back to it. A lot of them. I look at some of the palettes in my drawer and it's like, I've only probably used those like once or twice. Even though I liked them when I tried them for you guys. I liked them. But I just don't reach for them. And I always reach for these. And I think I'm always going to reach for the Conspiracy palette too. That's the one I said that I haven't tried it enough yet to actually include it. I did love it the few times I tried it though. Another new thing that I've got that I'm really liking is this eyebrow pencil from NYX. That's what I'm wearing today, and it's what I wore last time, and you guys, several of you said, oh, your eyebrows look really good. And I thought, really? I thought that this was too light. But we're going to keep trying it anyways. So it is the NYX Percision brow pencil crayon. Now we're getting down to the, I have one more thing that's kind of new that I'm loving is my Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes. I like this a lot. I don't know if I'm going to love it though. I don't know if I'll repurchase it. But I do like it right now. There's just some other ones out there that I really want to try, but they're expensive too. And I hate spending a lot of money on mascara because there's so many at the drugstore. But I haven't found the best drugstore one I've found was the Paradise, the L'Oreal Paradise, and I still have that one, but I really need to get a new one because it's kind of old. The next thing is especially for winter, because I was really liking my Hydro Grip, and then winter hit and my skin dried out, and so I went back to my base tape. I love this stuff, and I was loving it before I tried the grip. It smells so good. It smells like coconut, and it feels so good, and it doesn't accentuate my dry skin. So this is another one that I keep going back to. Whenever I have problems with something new I'm trying, I go back to this one. So, loving this one. Next is, of course, you guys already know most of this stuff because I always go back to it, is my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Powder. And I already bought a backup for this one during the Sephora sale. So, I'm good. And I actually just tried another powder that's supposed to be like a dupe for it. I think it is, but it wasn't. Nothing as good as this. I have another powder that I'm going to try that's supposed to be comparable to the Charlotte Tilbury, and it's a drugstore. But I don't have the Charlotte Tilbury. But it's Jam Beauty 89 loves the Charlotte Tilbury for under her eyes. She says it's the best. So, and this one's supposed to be like, I don't know if it's a dupe or just comparable to it. And it's a drugstore one. So, I did try that one yesterday and I wasn't that impressed. So, I went back over it with this. And it was great. So, next thing. Okay, everything else is old stuff. How can you beat the packaging on this? I mean, look at this guy. And I really, really like the formula of this. It doesn't dry out, but it's got good coverage. It's not as good coverage as Shape Tape, but it's close. And it doesn't dry out my under eyes nearly what Shape Tape does. Although I do have Shape Tape on today. And it's looking pretty good. I thought, you know what? You need to keep trying that because you used to love that. So, this is the Jeffree Star's Magic Concealer, and I am just about out. I need to order another one, but I think I told you guys this already, that I never remember to order like everything from Jeffree Star at once so that I don't have to pay shipping 3 times, and that's what I'm doing right now. When I ordered the Conspiracy, I paid shipping. Then I ordered the Controversy. I had to pay more shipping. It's like $10 every time the shipping. And then this guy, I haven't ordered it yet because it's like, I can't do that. It's Christmas. I need money. So, anyways, moving on. This one, I love this lip gloss. It smells good. It tastes good. I mean, not that I eat it, but, you know. And it is called Shall We Dance, and it is a L'Oreal glowing lip gloss. And it is just so, so, so pretty. I wear it all the time. Can you guys see that? And I put it over anything. It's so gorgeous. It's got like gold flakes in there. Now you can see it. It's so pretty. It's way prettier on my lips. I'll just put it over this. I can't see the mirror now. And it smells so good. And anyways, this is another drugstore one. I feel like you guys like drugstore stuff better than high-end. And I don't blame you, because it's ridiculous, the prices that they... Even drugstore's kind of expensive, I think. But it's nothing compared to this other stuff. Next thing, of course, is my Catrice HD Liquid Coverage, my absolute favorite foundation. So far, I haven't had any that I go back to. It's like I switch from this and I'll be liking something, and then, I don't know, something will happen, and I always go back to this one. So, and my color is 030 Sand Beige. And actually, every time I go to Ulta, I run over to the Catrice and I get the sand beige and I put a little on my hand, and then I go try to find whatever I'm there for in that color, because that's what I have on today, and it is the perfect color for me. Even though beige usually is pink, but this, it's the best color for me. And today I wore something I haven't worn in forever, and I realize how much I still love it. It is the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I haven't worn this in forever, but I used to wear it all the time. I'll show you. Look at that. Yeah, I used to wear it all the time. And it's still so good. I love it. And then my Hoola, no, not Hoola, my Benefit Dallas. This is the blush that I have on. It's so good. It's kind of a dusty rose. It's like, it looks like a bronzer. But when you put it on, it has just enough pink and just enough shimmer that it's gorgeous. What can I say? It's gorgeous. So that is it for my collection of makeup that I am thankful for. Those are, I just sat down here and thought, and went through my drawers, and this is the stuff that I pick from all the time. I don't even go over there to that other stuff. So I didn't. I should have, maybe next time, and see if there's stuff over there that I used to really love, and then I'll try it again and see if I still love it. But I know that there's a lot more things in my life that I am thankful for. This was just makeup. I just want to do it because it's related to Thanksgiving, but it's still part of my channel and part of my, you know, beauty routine. Don't think that I'm just thankful for makeup, because I'm not. I'm thankful for you guys, for one thing. I thank you guys all the time for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel and leaving me comments and all those things. I am so, so thankful for you guys. And I'm thankful for my kids, and I'm thankful for everything around me. I'm thankful for my home and my kitty cats and my dog and my husband and my, oh, I already said my kids. Okay, so I'm thankful for you guys, and I hope you all had a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving. So I will see you in my next video. Mwah!